6 steps to pay off debt without budgeting. Paying off debt is a difficult battle, yet it is so simple. It's difficult, not because the steps to do it are complicated, but because we live in a world that overconsumes and is driven by the accumulation of debt. Here are the 6 steps to consider in order to pay off debt and begin personal financial journey. 1. Don't ignore the problem. This is one of the first and most crucial steps when starting a debt-free journey. It's easier to ignore all the debt you have accumulated because the less you know, the better you feel. This is only going to give you short-lived satisfaction and, if anything, make your financial situation worse. It's important to know how much debt you have accumulated in relation to your current income and how much money you are paying in interest and minimum payments. In order to do this, go through your finances with a fine-tooth comb to give yourself a better idea of your current financial picture and how you even got there in the first place. This will also give you a better idea of how much money to budget for your automatic payments within the timeline you want for yourself. 2. Create automatic payments. I have never been good at budgeting, and I typically always end up spending over budget. That's why I opted to set up automatic payments from my checking account directly to my savings account each day I got paid. As a result, you are only able to spend the remaining funds that are left over in your checking account. This is helpful to guide you to work within a certain budget, but without creating a strict budget plan and feeling overly constricted. It also allows you to be consistent, which is one of the most important skills when paying down your debt. Don't get me wrong, you might still feel constricted in some ways, but less constricted than sticking to an exact budget of how to live your life. Avalanche versus snowball method. At this point, it will also be important for you to have an idea about how you want to pay off your debt in order to set up your automatic payments. There are typically 2 methods that people use to pay off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. Both methods are different but effective, and it really depends on what works best for you. The snowball method suggests paying down your smallest debt first regardless of the interest rate. This method helps you stay more consistent and motivated. The avalanche method suggests paying down the debt with the largest interest rate first after paying all your minimum payments. This allows you to save money over time because you will be paying less in interest if you stay consistent. Use these tips and tricks to determine what method will work best for you and encourage you not to give up on your journey of financial freedom. 3. Change your habits. This is not only important to pay off debt, but it's crucial to staying out of debt. Everyone has at least one habit that they could change to better their finances. Whether it be a $6 Starbucks coffee every morning, a takeout for every lunch, or online shopping. Or maybe all of the above. It's never too late to get a grasp on your finances and start practicing different habits that are better for your financial future. Habits are what contributed to our debt in the first place, but replacing them with more frugal behaviors is probably one of the hardest steps to do. It sounds simple, but if you're used to living your life a certain way, it's hard to change your mindset and stay motivated. You all know the habits I'm talking about. Bring a packed lunch and coffee to work. Don't upgrade your iPhone every year. Don't buy a house you can't afford, etc. But essentially, all you need to do is live below your means. Slowly start this step by cutting back on some of your behaviors and replacing them with new ones. Only get takeout twice a week, instead of every night. Before you know it, you will be enjoying your home-cooked meals to the point where takeout isn't an option. You will eventually start to develop these new behaviors, and the more you practice them, the easier they will start to become. 4. Increase your income. It's obvious that a great way to increase your income is to get a second job. But there are other ways you can increase your income. Go through your closet. Haven't worn it in the last couple of months. Sell it. Do you have old phones lying around? Sell them. Could you make do without your second car? Sell it. Not only will you be surprised how much money you've had just laying around, but you will also feel more cleansed of items that are just causing clutter. There are various side hustles that people do to make some extra cash on the side. Whether it be babysitting their neighbor's dog, writing blogs, reupholstering furniture, tutoring, etc. Find one that works for you to increase your automatic payments and put all that extra income towards your debt. 5. Make additional lump sums. Put any large sums of money that come your way towards your debt. This could be a bonus, tax return or Christmas money. This will help pay off your debt faster, and it's money that you won't miss. 6. Don't give up. Mind over matter. We all know that paying off your debt isn't fun. It takes hard work, focus, and perseverance. Don't be afraid to talk about your debt and reach out to others that are in a similar situation. Listen to podcasts, read books, and follow blogs that will keep you motivated and help you be consistent. Treat yourself every once in a while to a takeout meal or a drink with some friends. Don't put so much pressure on yourself and develop a plan and behaviors that work best for you. Be realistic. Keep focused on the goal. Think about how it will feel when you are 100% debt-free. Think about all the savings you will have now that you have developed new behaviors and what you will be capable of. I know it won't be easy, and it might feel impossible, but I believe in you. Believe in yourself, and have the patience to reach your goals, and you can be capable of anything. Work hard now so you can enjoy life later.